Welcome back to a new video of Technogears. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see sensitive content on privacy. We are going to press the next action. We are going to select content in text. Next, we can see upper left icon and we can see settings and support. Here, press in settings and privacy and we can see so many options, and I press in privacy and safety. Content you see, press in and display media that make content sensitive. Okay, we can see button blue it is activated, and when it is gray the sensitive content option is deactivated. And that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.